Hey everybody, this is Yayo and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create this really cute and simple but trendy crop top only using my old jeans. So I will be using these black jeans of mine, but you can use any color that you like or a t-shirt, and these are the materials that we need. So let's start. First step is you will be placing your jeans on a plain surface and you will fold it with the back pockets facing together like so. And you will need your favorite tube top as your template for this crop top. Mine, I've used an old one, but it's my exact size, so this is what I will be using. Make sure that you will leave 1 inch allowance at the sides before you cut it. So this is what it will look like, and you will be left with 2 fabrics. So the next thing that you're going to do is to cut at the center of this fabric vertically, but only cutting the other side and leaving the other sides the same as it is. So it will look like this once it's cut. And then you will be doing the exact same thing at the other one. Cut it at the center again, and you will be left with these 2 fabrics. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is face your 2 fabrics together with the right sides facing together, and then get your tube top and place it on top. And then you will get your pins, a handful of those, and pin the sides. Make sure that you leave a centimeter of allowance or an inch if you think that your tube top is smaller than your exact size. Mine, I only left 1 centimeter of allowance in each side. So be careful in pinning your fabrics because you might get pricked. So I just did mine like this in a straight line, and I did the other side. It's important that you would also pin both of the up and the down sides, but just to make it stay in place once you are going to cut it. So in cutting your tube top, make sure that you also leave a 1 centimeter of allowance, like what I did in this. So it's really important that you have a good quality of scissors and a big one, because mine is a little bit smaller, so I actually had a bit of a hard time cutting this since the fabric is so thick, because denim or fabrics of jeans are thick fabrics. So I just did mine like this one, so you will be left with your tube top. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to sew the sides. I just hand sew mine together, and then also hem the raw edges of the top and the bottom. And this is what it looked like. You have your tube top. And with the remaining fabrics that we have cut from your jeans, we are going to make it as our sleeves for our crop top. So what I did in here is I just cut this one and then also cut the other side, making this line at the center. But you can make your own strategy, but I have left mine with this line at the center because I think that it can be part of the design. So you have to do the other one and make sure that you did 4 of these. So you will also hem the raw edges, just hand sew it and you will be good. So these are mine. I have 4. So the next thing that you will be doing is I just connected and sew the I've paired it. So this is what it looked like. Just sew it there, and then with your tube top right here, connect your sleeves. Everything in here is hand sewn, but you can also use a sewing machine if you like. It will make everything much faster and easier. And also in sewing your sleeves, make sure that it's under the tube top. And then what I'm doing here is I am cutting the center. This will serve as the back of our crop top. I'm actually a little bit confused, just saying tube top and crop top because it's a tube top, but it has sleeves now, so it's a crop top. It's not a tube top anymore. Okay, so I will be sewing again these raw edges. I just did mine like this. It's really beginner friendly because it doesn't really need like a really good technique. So with the remaining fabrics that you have with your jeans, you are going to cut these strips. Maybe 1 inch thick is enough. Mine is 1 inch, and then you're going to connect it together to make a long one. This will serve as our tie for our back, and then just sew the raw edges again. And after sewing, you are going to get this pin and you're going to turn it inside out with the pretty side at the outside and the raw sides at the inside of these strips. So you will get a bit of a difficult time doing this since the fabric is a little bit thick, but you can still manage it. So I did mine like this. And then I've also done some short ones, and these short ones will serve as the holes for our tie or the strips. And I'm showing you here that I have made 6, but my final output I've actually put 10 of these just to make sure that everything is fitted. So just sew it again and it will look like this one. So with our tie in here, this is our final output, and it will look like this. So thank you so much for watching, everybody.